Myself is Shantanu Kumar Mallick. I am working as an Assistant Vice President Sales in Rossari Biotech Limited in Bangladesh. Rossari Biotech Limited is one of the leading chemical manufacturing company, and we are the number one textile chemical manufacturing company in India. Our market valuation will be close to 8,500 crore Indian rupees. As a leading supplier, we have acquired recently 7 companies in India, having 7 plants in India. Our biggest plant and state-of-the-art plant remains in Dhaka, that is in Gujarat. That is the industrial hub and very close proximity to the port. We, as a leading textile specialty chemical manufacturing company, we are in Bangladesh since last 15 years, and we see there is a huge growth in Bangladesh. As we are in Bangladesh since long, so we know this market very well. Bangladesh is doing fantastically well. If you look their contribution in apparel sector, it has already reached 30 billion marks US dollar, and we see that in coming 5 years it can reach up to more than 80 billion USD. So this year, if you look their export data, you will see that in last 7 months they have already achieved 23 billion US dollars. So it's a remarkable job during pandemic situation. The country is phenomenally, they are doing very well, and we as a company, we are doing very good business with the leading corporate groups over here in Bangladesh, and we are also like to thank Textile Focus and Denim Focus for their supporting and giving us an opportunity to showcase our the product, the sustainable product, I can say, which is the need of the hour. As a specialty chemical manufacturing company, we believe that today the world is going for sustainable concept, and we have a lot of products we can offer which can contribute to the environment. If you see, which can contribute lots of sustainable concept over here. We have series of products over here. If you see, as a Rossari, we are a totally green company, and in fact the green concept was launched by our company during the establishment. And if you see our whole product portfolio ranges starting from 1996 to 2022, we have a sustainable timeline, so where we are introducing lots of product range which can actually contribute to the buyer at the end of the day, which can reduce the water consumption, which can reduce the energy consumption, and which can lead the less load on ATP. So if you see our product portfolio ranges, if we can see in denim, recently we have developed one the lacase enzyme, which will be basically will be replacing the traditional conventional the denim processing, the chlorine pre-bleaching, which will be replacing shortly. So we have apart from that, we have the clay based product where we are using basically mud as a technology which you can use for the scouring and bleaching purposes. So if you look our product portfolio, we are the biggest supplier for the eco-friendly substitute of acetic acid, which is green acid, and also we are promoting the soda as substitute, because these the two products, the basic chemical which is being used by the industry with a large quantity, where there is a large impact on ATP. So we have designed our product in such a way where it can impact the less load on ATP. Apart from this, we have the state-of-the-art product which we have developed for the niche segment, especially the Cool White 2020, which we can bleach the fabric at a very lower temperature. That means you are basically using the less energy. The time will be also less. So end of the day, your productivity will be on the higher side. So apart from this, we have also the concentrated enzyme. In denim industry, recently we have developed the concentrated tablet enzyme, which is basically the concentrated one, which you have to use just very little doses. So with these things, you can really have the stock at the end of the day. You will have the minimum stock, and at the end of the day, your transportation cost and all the things will be comes down. So looking into the sustainable concept, we are working fantastically well. if you look the current the industry, we after pandemic we are facing a lot of issues, like the transportation cost has gone up, the raw material price fluctuation has gone up so drastically. So we are all facing problem, but in spite of that, I can say the Bangladesh is having the very resilience to cope up with these challenges, and we as a company, as we are the leading supplier, we have also that capability to cope up this industry, and we see there is a huge growth in coming days. And our state of the art R&D facility we have incorporated, that is one of the prestigious institute in India, that is the Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai, and it is there are 16 doctors who are working day and night, who are designing our products as per the current need of the markets, because we see that by 2050 there will be huge changes, and we see there will be a huge demand for sustainable products. So we are working hard, we are working in such a way that end of the day we can focus on lean process management technology, that means bath saving, time saving and energy saving. This concept will we are working hard, and surely will have a impact in coming days with our product. And our main focus is that to give the best support to our customer at the end of the day, because looking into the all the raw material cost and all the input cost, they are really struggling to survive. And in this position, we as a company leading supplier, we are coming up with the innovative solution, the sustainable solution, so that we can assist them to achieve their goal in a very smooth way. So this is all about us. Thank you.